Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little's Child Restraints. I'm here in Wetherill Park at Frank Tedesco Workshop. They only work on the classics. They don't bother with the plastics. And as you can see, we've got a 1956 Holden, Fj Holden, all being restored. And that's what they do here. They do all the restorations on these old little beauties here. You can see what they've done here. Well, they've called me in because they needed some seatbelts here. We've got Ray, who's the owner of the car, needed some seatbelts. And we went to the Lapbelts with it. And so what we've done, we've gone with the chrome buckles with a lion on it, the Holden Lion, and the Concourse webbing, the Classic Concourse webbing. I mean, that absolutely looks like a gem when you look at this. You can see this car is almost near perfection. Again, when you're working with classics, they're not plastics. So don't be putting plastic seat belts in there. Have a look at this beauty. And just keeps going and going. Even with the tyres, everything's just been restored. Have a look at this. That is beautifully. Look inside. Everything's done just to perfection. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you need a car restored, call Frank Tedesco up at Wetherill Park, and they're happy to help you out.